Hello grade 5 and 6. Welcome back to another music lesson. This is week 2 of learning how to sight sing and read our rhythms. Now I know there's been the question of why aren't we doing violin? Why can't we learn the violin while we're in quarantine? But your instruments are quite difficult to tune on your own. The guitarists are able to learn how to tune theirs, but yours are so delicate that I cannot teach you how to tune them through these videos. Another thing is not all of you have violins, so it wouldn't be nice to only be able to teach those who have violins and leave the others out. So for now we're going to focus on building our skill of being able to actually read music, because then when you get back to playing violin, you'll be able to play through your notes really comfortably and not have to spend so much time on figuring out, is that a C, is that a B? And also to be able to sing through what you see, to understand the melodies that you're about to play. Okay? So let's start off with another reading rhythm exercise that we have here. I actually have 2 new exercises for you. Still using the notes that we're familiar with, nothing new here, just rearranged. So let's take some time to read this first rhythm from beginning to end. So I'd really like for you to clap with me and to say the ta sounds. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Tum, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta, 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 tum, ti, ta, Let's try that one more time. Let's go. Tum, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta, ta, tum, ti, ta, Let's try line 2. I hope you'll take time to do this for yourself. You can even pause the video and try and read it on your own. Let's do line 2. 1, 2, 3, we go. Ta, tum, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta, ti, ti, ta. This one's a lot easier. Let's try it again. 3 and go. Ta, tum, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta, ti, ti, ta. Let's do that one more time because I made a mistake. 3 and go. Ta, tum, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta, ti, ti, ta. Well done if you've made it this far without too much of a struggle. Let's work on our song here. I hope you've taken time to practice this solfege for yourself, because sight singing can only get better if you continue looking at the notes and learning the relationship between the intervals, that's what we call them, the spaces between the notes. For example, between do and so, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Between space and line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stepping down. So if our do is do, ti, la, so. So if you're getting stuck with trying to figure out what so sounds like, you can always come back to do and find the rest of your notes from do. So do, ti, la, so. If we take another one, do, re. So if we come to re, the interval between re and so, re, do, ti, la, so, re, so, la, ti, do, re, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, mi, re, mi, fa. Fa is on the C. Fa is our highest note in this piece. So if you can become really familiar with what fa sounds like in this piece, then that can also be a helpful way to follow along whenever you get stuck. Fa, fa, mi, re, re, mi, fa, mi. Also being able to tell when you're stepping up and when you're skipping up, or stepping down and skipping down. Because here you have steps, notes just going from one space to a line to a space. Make the most of the simplicity of this melody. Like over here, we have a scale going up, and the next jump is over here. Throughout this second half of the first line, it's all steps. So let's take advantage of that. Alright, so let's try and sing these two lines. Let's see how far we can go. Okay, so try and do it with me. So our do is do. 1, 2, 3. Do, do, so, do, re, so, mi, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, do, ti, la. Let's stop here because I don't think we've sung ti, la just yet. So I've drawn over here the notes going up from do, but then also the notes, the 3 notes going down from do, because sometimes these notes can be so close together they can be a bit confusing. So you'll need to sing do, ti, la, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so several times for you to get used to what that sounds like. So let's go from here. Do, do, ti, la, ti, do, re, mi, ti, la, so, so. So sometimes it can feel awkward landing on the ti. It doesn't feel like a very natural note to sing. And in this case, it's a sharp. So we really have to make sure we sing it correctly. So let's start from here. Do, ti, la, do, re, mi, ti, la, so, so. Can we do that again? Do, ti, la, do, re, mi, ti, la, so, so. One more time. Do, ti, la, do, re, mi, ti, la, so, so. So we'll pick up from there next week. I know there's a lot of different syllables and sounds to try and remember, and sometimes even I get confused jumping, especially between the T and the do, because it's not always common to find that in a melody. So we'll keep working on it. Do your best to read these notes for yourself in solfege from beginning to end, and not to follow along with the video. Do your best to sing it for yourself, so when we come back next week, you can test yourself to see if you actually got it. Okay? So we'll see you next week.